In today's episode, we'll show you how to do a classic manicure using protein polishes.
Hi, my name is Connie, and this is a channel dedicated to the art of nail styling. Today, we'll be talking about nail polishes, regular nail polishes. Even though gel polish manicures hold the reign within the nail styling industry today, we'll talk about protein nail polishes. These are classic, normal nail polishes, which can be used by our daughters or really anyone who has no experience in nail styling. The protagonists of our episode will be our favorite green setter. So, enjoy watching.
Products and tools we'll use in today's episode are a metal cuticle pusher, a vinyl base coat, protein nail polish in green setter, the 2-in-1 top coat, dry up and wipe off cleaner.
Why did gel polish replace regular nail varnish? There's not much left to say. It's an obviousness. If you can perform the same service in a similar time frame but achieve a 4 times longer lasting result, then what are we even talking about? But there are situations in which classic nail varnish will come in handy. Firstly, when we have some sort of event and we want our manicure to match our outfit, but not necessarily wear said color for the following 3 weeks. Secondly, when we have an outgrowth but we don't have time. Now, I say this a little under the table, if you know what I mean, friend to friend, because of course you shouldn't walk around with an outgrowth because it can be harmful to your nail plate. But sometimes it might happen that for some reason something comes up and you don't have time for a proper infill. So, if your nails are done with green setter, you happen to have a classic nail polish in green setter at home, it makes it really simple to cover up the outgrowth. Thirdly, pedicures. Then you can juggle the colors, switching up your pedicure every week. Simply have them done with a nude shape, then you can cover it up with a regular nail polish once in a while to match your sandals or an outfit. And it's worth adding that modern regular polishes are better than those we used to have a few years ago. They dry faster, are more pigmented, and are the equivalents of colors we know and love from our gel palettes. Like, for example, the green setter.
Using the cuticle pusher, we push away the nail fold. Then, using a pad soaked in the wipe-off cleaner, we degrease the nail plate. We apply the vinyl base, trying not to touch the nail fold while we paint. We should also leave a small gap along the cuticles. We use the base coat to secure the free edge of the nail.
Why should we use a base coat? Well, firstly, a vinyl base will strengthen the natural structure of the nail. Secondly, it will smooth out its surface, allowing for a better application of color. And thirdly, intense colors, like red for example, can sometimes stain our nail plate. So, a base is a layer of protection against that.
We apply the first layer of the green setter protein nail polish. We start painting in the middle of the nail, then precisely cover the sides. Using quick motions, we even out the entire surface of the polish.
What's worth knowing about our classic nail polishes? Well, first of all, they provide long-lasting effects. They are flexible and durable. Secondly, we have as many as 18 shades available. But considering that gel polish is king and these are just an alternative, we didn't want to go too wild on the range. But if you tell us you'd like more of these polishes, then we will definitely look into it. These are protein nail polishes because they contain hydrolyzed jojoba proteins, which enhance the natural nail plate. They are highly pigmented and creamy in texture, and because we know that a client switching from gel manicures to a classic polish will have high expectations, we've made them so that they are super nice to work with. If we've always worked with gel polishes, remember not to place your client's hand under a lamp. Regular polish dries on its own. You will have to wait a few extra minutes, but it will do a great job drying without any help.
We paint the second layer of color in the same way. We start in the center of the nail, then move to the sides. We need to work quite fast to evenly spread the polish across the entire nail.
There is one more advantage of classic nail polishes over gel ones: the small matter of stained cuticles. If you flood the cuticles with a gel polish, what do? You need to wipe the entire thing off with a cleaner and clean everything meticulously because a light curing product cannot be in contact with the skin. In the case of regular nail polish, no worries at all. You don't have to wipe the whole thing off. It's enough to clean the soiled area And voila, the situation is under control. This makes regular nail polish a perfect training ground for those who would like to step into the gel polish world, but are not quite confident yet. It's best to practice on standard nail polishes because at the end of the day, it's a very similar procedure.
We secure the entire nail with a 2-in-1 top, which will extend the durability of the classic nail polish and add a glossy finish. We wait about 60 seconds and apply dry up.
The cherry on top of our classic nail polish styling is dry up, which, as the name suggests, speeds up the drying process. It also extends the durability, but most of all, moisturizes the cuticles. Remember that even the nicest nails with dry cuticles you need to take care of them. And because dry up has cadle nut, macadamia, and sweet almond oils, as well as vitamin E, it will take care of those cuticles perfectly. A sort of 2-in-1, 4-in-1.
All done! This is what a finished manicure done with a classic protein nail polish in green setter looks like.
And this is the end of our episode. Let us know in the comments below if you'll use regular nail polish, and if so, then where? On your toes, or maybe once off on your hands? Remember, we're here every Wednesday. Oh, and one more thing. If you like classic nail polishes, let us know which of the gel polish colors should make an appearance in the classic range. Thanks for watching. See you next time.